Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Welcome back. Today I wanted to talk to you about self-tanning. Um, Maybe a time thing, maybe a health thing, maybe a safety thing, but maybe you don't want to go to tanning booths anymore. Um, but this stuff we've been using it around our house for quite a while. I mean, years. And this is from b.tan. And this is, I want the darkest tan possible. It's 1 hour mousse, and I generally put it on with the b.tan mitt and the b.tan back. What do you call it? I don't know. But you cross the back and give it that kind of stuff. You take your shirt off first, right? Just kidding. Hey, but that's a great help. I mean, I used to try to, sunscreen up or whatever, and man, my arms just don't reach, especially as I get a little older. They don't seem to reach as much. Anyway, so I just put some in the mitt there and rub it on, and you can see maybe a coloration difference already. Try to keep it off your clothes, okay? Because it will tan your clothes. All right, so that's about it. If you want it more drastic, you can put more on. I would suggest letting it soak in for a good hour, then put some more on at that point. And you can shower it off later if you want. Try not to get it on your fingers because it'll stain your fingers real good. Anyway, we like it real well. We've been using it forever. See the brownness here compared, and that's just after a few seconds. So anyway, want the darkest tan possible by b.tan. The tanning application mitt and strap, I guess. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching. Get these. I know they'll help you out. Thanks. Bye now.